Hi guys, welcome to the M&Q Caravan channel. Today I've been doing a little bit of maintenance on the caravan. Just things you don't really need to see. Just fixing up a few bits of the insides, sticking things down, flushing the toilet and adjusting a couple of cupboards. Em's away today, so it's just Q here working on the caravan. Hi guys, today we're going to have a quick look inside the toilet cistern. It's throwing out a lot of black crud which needs to be cleaned out, so we'll pull that apart in a minute, but first we'll go outside and we'll drain the tank ready for the off. First we'll open the inlet and then we'll open the cassette door. Inside you'll see the cassette, and this little bung here, that's where the water comes out. We can let the water out there. And hopefully I won't get wet feet. We'll just use this pipe to divert the rest of the water. Yeah, now we've drained that out, we can put the bung back in. We can go inside and pull the cistern apart. First thing we need to do is prise this off. It's just a little bit stuck. This is the model that doesn't have the lift up flap, so we'll prise that off, which I've already done earlier, and then we can pull. As you can see, it's pretty gross in there, so we'll get a screwdriver. We'll undo those 4 screws and we should be able to lift the whole cistern insides out. It's pretty gross. We'll put this plug in the sink, put the screws in the sink so we don't lose them. It's always best to make sure you've got the right size screwdriver. Otherwise you just end up damaging the screws. I've left the flap open where you fill the tank up with water, because that lets a little bit of daylight into the tank so we can actually see what we're doing. Just prise that off, prise that out, and there you have it. It's pretty gross. This is just one of the many jobs that we are doing on the caravan before we go away for our next round of trips. I'm just going to give this a clean out. See if we can get some of this crud off, and then we'll get into the tank and try and clean out the tank itself. I'm just cleaning this with a cloth. Toilets, gross. It's not a difficult job, it's just time consuming and messy. As you can see, I've got a bucket of water just to clean it out, an old scrubbing brush, and I'll see what I can do. Get my hand in there. Hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. It's not very nice. Pull that pipe out of the way. This black mould comes from using the pink tank cleaner that they recommend, but for some reason it just makes mould everywhere inside the tank. And there's no real way to clean the whole tank out. You can't disassemble it, so you just have to do your best. That appears to be as best as we can get, guys. We'll now reassemble the cistern and we'll all be good to go. So we'll drop that back in there and then we'll have a bit of a clean up. Put the screws back in. Drop the flush back in. And then we'll just have a bit of clean up on the seat. Yeah, we'll go and fill the tank up, ready to go. So I'll just give the tank a flush out. It's looking pretty clean, certainly better than it was. Hopefully that will keep it clean when we're on the road. Right, we'll now go and fill the tank right up. So there you go, guys. That's just showing you what happens in your toilet cistern if you use the pink stuff. It's recommended by Thetford, but it makes a hell of a mess. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and if you do, please like and subscribe.